Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I am going to show you how to predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So here I have taken my trade down. Why? Because you are seeing here, let me show you what you are seeing here. You are seeing here a reversal candle, and because of this reversal candle, this candle will close as a bearish. So let's see what's going on. The candle will close below our entry point, and we are almost 200% sure that the market will close as a bearish. Okay, so we won our trade here. So from this point I can go with buyers. Okay, so you are seeing I was waiting to take my trade in an up direction, but suddenly candle went up, and how much it went up you can see here. Okay, let me check where we are going right now. Okay, so after this point, okay, so after this point, okay, I have taken my trade down. Okay, I have taken my trade down because you can see here on the left side there is a big rejection, and so what does it shows? It shows the strong sellers entry, and because of these strong sellers, market will not allow this candle to go up again. So let's see what happens, what is going on in the market. Okay, so now I can go with sellers. Okay, I have taken my trade in a down direction because on the left side you are seeing a round number. This is a round number, so the candle closed exactly at the round number, and it is a long leg spinning top, so it is a sign of reversals. So this running candle will close as a bearish. Let's see what happens here. I am trying to get a piece of every candlestick by using the candlesticks analysis. Okay, so here I can again go with buyers. So here I have taken my trade in an up direction, and I will win this trade because you know that in a minor uptrend the engulfing pattern will not work. It will never work like this. It will work if there is a strong level. It works if there is a strong level. So the bearish engulfing will work in an up direction, and bullish engulfing will work in a down direction. So here I will win this trade. So let's see what happens. Okay, I can again go with buyers from this point confidently, and I will win this trade too, because you can see here the next level for me is here. This is the next level. On this point you are seeing a strong seller's entry, but from this point I am not seeing a strong seller's entry. Okay, so what does it mean? This is strong area of sellers will work, so I will win this trade again. If I get a bullish candle, that candle will be at least a doji type or a spinning top, I am sure, but it will 200% will close as a bullish. Let's see. Okay, I told you. So you can see how the market is coming down, and I can take my trade up from this point. Okay, so I will win this trade. The candle will close as a bearish, but I will win this trade because of my entry point. I know it will close as a bearish, but my entry point is very good, and I will definitely win this trade. Okay, I will definitely win this trade. Okay, it has to close as a bearish. My analysis says okay, so let me take another trade, and if the candle comes down I will take my trade again. I'm waiting to get a good opportunity here. Okay, it has to come down. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so right now I'm not getting any opportunity here, and okay, candle will close. Okay, candle is coming down. It is coming down. It is making a new high. So I need a good entry point. Okay, I can go with buyers confidently, but again my entry point is little bit late. I am amazed why I am getting bad entry points again and again. You can see I clicked here again to secure myself, but again the candle is giving me a bad entry point. But I know the candle will go up and it will close as a bullish. It will not close as a bearish. So let's see what happens. This is my last trade. After this trade I will finish my trading. So let's see, 15 seconds. The candle has to go up, and it has to go up, and it has to close as a bullish. Let's see what happens. It has to close as a bullish. It has to close. Yes, I won my trade. So thanks for watching, and I will try my level best to explain you all the things which I know, and kindly watch again and again, and it will help you. I am not telling you to watch it because of number of viewers I will get. No, you can easily watch and you can easily learn from these videos. So if you like, kindly share, like and subscribe. Stay blessed you all. So take care, stay blessed, have a good day ahead.